Xiaomi is giving us the perfect gift for 2020. What do you think that would be? S21 FE, S22 series, or let's get into the news. Alright, Samsung is actually giving us the Samsung Perfect New Year gift 2022. This news is from Sam Mobile. Samsung is not wasting any time getting the Android 12 One UI 4.0 update to 100 million plus people on their device as a perfect gift for 2022. Even after they stopped for around 1 week due to a bug in the update last week. This is just crazy and incredible when we think back 2 years ago. Xiaomi is still considered one of the worst Android OEM in getting updates to the user on time. As you can see, I got mine too on my S21 Ultra in Singapore. What about you guys? Did you get it? And where are you from? You can tell me in the comments below. And next, we have news from Sam Mobile again. This time around, yes, the S21 FE. I think until next week, Wednesday morning in Singapore time, before the launch of the S21 FE, I think every day until next Wednesday morning, we will be getting news about S21 FE. Then after that, continue all the way almost a month for the S22 series. Every day as well, we'll be having leaks and news about that. Alright, let's get into the news. So today, in this article, Samsung have reviewed all their S21 FE cases. The design and colors of the cases. You can see that there's the silicone case. The silicone case with stand as well for the clear version. The Smart Clear View case. Yup, now we have a name for that, Smart Clear View case, which shows you the information. You don't need to flip open your case. And the thin strap case. But it seems like only the silicone case come with the special red color option. Not for the thin strap case and the Smart Clear View case as well. It's only for the silicone case. So which one will you get, guys? And which color as well? And third and last news of the day, the S21 FE again. This time around, not only is an unboxing video, it's a full working unit. Normally unboxing video you see for the past few days to a week, it's all like, you know, just unboxing. Show you the design, especially the back, the color, everything. Today, this one is a full working set, whereby in the video they will show you it's a full working set with the setup, and we even have photos for the camera samples. Let's go and take a look. As usual, we have beautiful photos from Samsung phone camera with good dynamic range and color contrast. Alright, enough of the photo. Let's get into the unboxing video.
Okay, so I managed to get my hands on a S21 Fan Edition before the release date. I haven't seen any English unboxings, so that's what we're doing today. Got the olive green color, it's pretty nice. Looks a bit like a khaki. And as we found out, only the USB-C cable in the box. Ooh. That's quite interesting. It's a pretty bright screen. So I don't have a SIM card in yet. Guess where I'm from. None of that. Let's not do that one. You guys don't get to see.
So guys, have you get your update yet, the Android 12 One UI 4.0 for your device? And which cases, let's say you are getting the S21 FE, which cases will you be getting, which color? Can tell me in the comment below. And remember, sub to the channel, on the notification bell, and you'll receive news and leaks every day that I see from over the internet. I'll see you again. Take care. Bye bye.